basic outline of a business modified to fit your specific needs of business. 1. Executive summary. Briefly describe your business and its goals. Highlight your key strategies and financial projections. 2. Company description. Describe your industry and target market. Explain your products or services and their unique selling proposition. Briefly introduce your team and their qualifications. 3. Market analysis. Describe the overall market size and growth potential. Analyze your target market demographics and needs. Identify your main competitors and their strengths and weaknesses. 4. Marketing and sales strategy. Describe your marketing channels and tactics for reaching your target audience. Explain your sales process and pricing strategy. Outline your customer acquisition and retention strategies. 5. Management and operations plan. Describe your organizational structure and key personnel. Explain your production or service delivery process. Outline your quality control and risk management procedures. 6. Financial projections. Forecast your revenue, expenses, and profitability for the next 3-5 years. Explain your key assumptions and the methodology used for your projections. Identify potential funding needs and how you plan to secure them. 7. Conclusion. Summarize your key points and reiterate your vision for the future. Call to action for the reader investing in your business. Join your team. Remember, this is just a basic outline, and you may need to modify it to fit the specific needs of your business. For example, if you are starting a new business, you may need to include more information about your startup cost and funding needs. Or if you are seeking funding from investors, you may need to place more emphasis on your financial projections. No matter what your specific needs are, be sure to create a business plan that is clear, concise, and persuasive. Your business plan is a marketing tool, so make sure it is well written and professional.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and leave a comment below.